Hey, Cheyenne, your detention's over. We gotta go. Make sure you don't leave anything behind. Wait, hold on. Who are you?
I'm Energy. If you wonder why your bills are so high, look at me. You're wasting me.
Isn't Energy unlimited?
No duh. There's only so much of me to go around.
Isn't there some kind of light barrier that turns off lights when you leave the room?
There's no such thing as the light fairy. You just turn off your lights and unplug the appliances before you leave the room.
That's it.
Let's do this then.